Happy Easter guys! Kamusta kayo? So, for today's video, samahan nyo kami as an OFW family dito sa UK kasi may pupuntahan kaming theme park para ipasyal namin si Adriel. So, first is naghanda lang ako ng breakfast namin which is sangag at saka egg. And then, ayan na, luto na ating sangag. Ayan guys, naka-ready na ako and naka-ready na din si Adriel at saka si Dada. So puntahan na natin yung pupuntahan namin as an activity ni Adriel ngayon kasi naka-term break sila. So ayan, most of talaga is dapat nasa labas ang bata and iti-take advantage ulit namin kasi the sun is out. So ayan, samahan nyo kami, pupunta na kami ng bus stop and then puntahan na natin yung exciting na play na activity ni Adriel today.
I like rides.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa bus. Ito yung nabayaran namin is 560. 280 kada isa. So wala pa masyadong pasahero. 9:35 alas. Anong bus? Wala pa masyadong pasahero. So guys, ang bus stop galing sa bahay is 4 minutes walk lang. And then pagpunta namin ng bus stop is naghintay lang kami ng few minutes before malis yung bus. And then after that is 25 minutes yung travel mismo sa bus stop papunta doon sa theme park na pupuntahan namin. So ito yung mga madadaanan nyo sa daan. So ayan, sobrang first time namin dumaan dito guys. Kaya ayan, sobrang lawak pala pa ng dito, space dito. Ayan, may mga farm at saka bahay-bahay na din. So, bumaba na kami sa bus stop guys. And then, 4 minutes walk na. Doon na kami sa so, doon yung bus stop na binabaan namin. Doon din kami maghihintay mamaya ng bus pabalik. Ay! Kung gusto niya yung flower na yan,
I get
i-blow
two.
niya. Yes. Start to blow. Yes. Finish. 10 pounds. So, andito na kami guys. Ito kalawak yung parking ng theme park. And ayun na yung mga inflatables. Excited na si Adriel. Are you excited na? Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay! It's time.
Where do you want to ride first?
What do you want?
Are you excited? Wow. Hindi na kasang pupunta. Hindi go na.
Ayan guys, nagsimula na siya. So, ito yung una niyang sinakyan.
Get inside, dili, go. The Ark of Noah. That's the Ark of Noah. Woo!
Pangalawa niyang pinuntahan. Yung pinakamalaking slide. shark naman. Ayun na naman siya.
It's a huge amount of shark.
Picture, picture.
Cheese.
Cheese. Look at the camera. Look at mama. Ay, naku. So guys, ito na yung buong theme park. So may burger and fries din dyan. And then si Dada nagkape din. Ako nag-hot chocolate. Tsaka yan, free yan lahat ng inflatables. Kasi nga 10 pounds kasama na siya sa binayaran mo. So maa-avail mo na yung lahat ng inflatables na yan. Pero itong mga ganyan, bouncing, kailangan mo magbayad. Yung bump car, need din magbayad.
George is looking for you. George has just run on the back looking for you. Go that way. There he is.
Ito na naman yung i-try niya guys. Ikot-ikot na yan. So, naka few seconds lang si Adriel dyan sa malaking bouncing ball na yan guys. Kasi nahihilo daw siya at sobrang init daw sa loob. So, ayan. So, ang tatay niya ang nagpatuloy ng kanyang bouncing ball experience. Kasi sayang din yung bayad. Ang bayad namin dyan is 3.5 pounds. So, hindi siya kasama sa 10 pounds na binayaran namin sa entrance. So, yung mga extra na ganyang activity guys is kailangan mong magbayad. Then, ang iba pa is yung may pag-game pa dito na may mga stuffed toys na pwede kang manalo pero yun nga, magbabayad ka. So, ayan, nag-enjoy naman yung tatay niya. Pero sabi din niya paglabas is sobrang init at saka nakakahilo din talaga. So, ayan.
How does it feel, Daddy? How does it feel?
Wait lang, ano may shoes first?
Baby
Hot
mama.
daw and beef.
Baby mama.
Okay, that's it.
Go, go. Yeah, listen up, yeah. Wait.
Wait, the duck is facing the whole club.
Yeah, go. Up,
Oops.
up. Up that. Oh,
Wait,
Let's
that's
stop the call. Go.
Nangangalay ata siya.
Go.
That's what, cook. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Go.
One more time. Go. You can. Go.
Go, that one. Go, Adriel, race up. Race up.
I made it.
You made it.
Yan ang kinuha niyang prize ball daw. 4 pounds din yung ball. Go na, go inside na. Kada naman daw mag-play. How many balls?
You get 3
Three.
balls.
And
You see if that's a stack, you've got to knock it off the shelf to win any prize, right?
kailangan ko tumbay lahat.
He needs to knock out all?
You need to knock out that. Tag-isa.
Ay, tingnan mo. Kung kaya mo.
To win any prize.
Oh, wala ka. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Oh!
One off.
Sayang.
Eh, naku. Oh, wala ka dyan di.
Oh, one again. That was
Max na muna kami guys. Go forward. That's it. Backward, forward. Go. Push. Yeah, well done. Go. Well done. You did it.
Thể không sợ đi được. Go, if you run this way, guys, okay?
Go.
Nakaharang mo to.
So yun guys, may nakita kasi ako magandang stuffed toy dito, yung elephant. Kaso yun nga, maghanap ka daw ng odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. And ang ginawa namin is 5 pounds for 15 na ganyan. So sa 15 guys, wala talagang odd numbers. Lahat is even numbers. So wala, talo. Wala na yung 5 pounds namin.
Just wait. The mouth will close.
Adriel, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah? So yan guys, pauwi na kami. Bus stop ulit.